Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a closer look at this Citroën ID 19. This model is made by Norev at the 1/18 scale and has opening front doors, bonnet and trunk. In the front everything looks good. We have the chrome on the bumper there. Also the headlights look pretty good. On the side we have the wheels. Also on this model is the nicest suspension I've ever seen on a diecast model. It moves so nice. Also the steering is functional. Next, in the back we have the stop lights. We have the Citroën logo there. Also we have the exhaust underneath the model. Let's open the trunk. It opens in two parts and it's a huge trunk. It's quite big. You have to close the this down part and after that this upper part. Let's open the front door as well. Very nice interior, very clean. I like the way you see the blue of the exterior with the red of the interior. Quite nice details on the interior as well. Very nice model. Let's check out in the front. It has nice details in the engine. As you can see, this is not connected to the radiator, which is a bit strange. But other than that, we have also the spare wheel. The engine compartment looks pretty good. Tell me in the comments, what do you think about the model? It's an interesting model for me. I'm not a Citroën collector, but it's quite nice, and I also like I really like the suspension how it works. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.